Welcome to Adverbs of Manner. In this lesson, you will learn how to place adverbs that describe the way an action is performed. Correct placement improves clarity and style in English sentences. Let us explore the placement and position rules together. Adverbs of manner tell you how an action is done. They describe the style or the way someone does something. For example, he ran quickly, she sang beautifully, and they spoke softly. In each case, the adverb of manner describes how the action happens. The most common position for a manner adverb in English is at the end of the sentence, after the object or complement. For instance, she speaks English fluently, they completed the work carefully, and he drove the car slowly. Placing the adverb at the end sounds most natural in English conversation. With auxiliary or helping verbs, put the manner adverb between the auxiliary and the main verb. For example, he is carefully reading the document, they have successfully completed the project, and she will definitely arrive on time. This placement keeps the meaning clear and makes the sentence easy to understand. Sometimes you can start a sentence with a manner adverb for emphasis or focus. For example, carefully, she examined the painting, quickly, they left the building, and gracefully, the dancer performed on stage. Starting with an adverb draws attention to how the action is performed. Be careful not to put the adverb in the wrong place. For example, do not say she speaks fluently English, but she speaks English fluently. Do not say he carefully ate the food, but he ate the food carefully. Do not say they work hard but they work very hard. Correct placement makes your English sound more natural. Let us practice placing adverbs of manner. 1. Where does well go in the sentence, she plays tennis blank. 2. Where does successfully belong in, he blank completed the assignment. 3. Where does quickly fit in blank, they solved the problem. Try to place the adverb correctly for each sentence. To summarize, you learned 3 main positions for adverbs of manner. 1. At the end of the sentence. 2. Between the auxiliary and the main verb. 3. At the beginning for emphasis. Remember, the most natural position is at the end of the sentence in English.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.